Hello guys, welcome back. I had ordered mobile gimbal and I have received my package. As mentioned in the title, it is DJI OSMO Mobile 3. So it's not the combo version, it's just the standard. And in the combo, I think you get that tripod stand and extra some accessories which are not available in this version. सो ये पड़ेगा आपको 8999 में फ्लिपकार्ट में. आई थिंक कॉम्बो कॉस्ट यू अराउंड 16,000, 16 to 17,000 something is there. So I did not want to waste so much of, it's not waste, but I did not want to invest so much of money. So I thought I can manage with the standard version. So I received it today within one day. I mean 1 day delivery without any extra charges. So in the box, what they have mentioned in the box: Osmo Mobile 3, power cable, storage pouch, wrist strap. So they're all included in the package. It's actually sealed box, you can see here. So the rate mentioned here is 9,999, but it's actually now 8,999 in Flipkart. I'll just unbox it and let's see all the accessories, what all the things they have included in the package. Then we'll do some trials. Okay, chalo. So let's begin with the unboxing here. I don't know where should I start. It's completely sealed, and they have 10 days return policy. In case if you don't like the gimbal, then you can return it within 10 days, but not after the 10 days. And warranty is also there. They have mentioned 2 years warranty. Look at that thermocol, the hard thermocol packing. Then what do we have here? There is one more small box inside. इसमें है, what is that? Sorry, ये क्या है? I feel like it's some kind of cloth. I don't know. Okay, sorry, it's okay, the soft pouch, what they had mentioned, the soft pouch in which you can carry the gimbal. And this must be the wrist strap. It will go like this. You can attach it, attach the other end to the gimbal. Okay, let's do that later. And there is one USB cable, that is type C cable. What else do we have? Usual things like manual. It's actually manufactured in China, let me tell you that. Even though DJI is not Chinese company, it is manufactured in China. So how to open, how to fix your mobile, all those things are mentioned here with the images. Alright, in the normal cover they have put the gimbal. Check this. Okay, alright. Okay, so let me take some time and then again I'll get back to you. I mean I'll just go through some of the instructions.
2,000 years later.
So guys, I actually went through the manual and it actually says you need to have this DJI Mimo app. Okay, it's around 240 MB something is there. You have to download that. Then you have to register with your email ID or mobile number. By that registration you will get the warranty, online warranty. Then there is this option, the camera option, that is actually connecting. I mean, first time registration you must do here. So I'll show you the basics now, and the trials, obviously I need the entire day. I'll have to learn a lot. There are many features which we can use. I mean, we can use it in different ways actually, so that I have to learn. Anyway, so okay, my gimbal is not on. There is this yum button, you can see here. I'll have to hold it. There is a beep sound and the gimbal is on now. And then the camera automatically turns on. You need to connect the gimbal with your mobile using Bluetooth. You have to pair it. So when you turn on the gimbal, the camera will turn on automatically. Okay, so you need to properly adjust your mobile. There is this yum. So if you press it twice, portrait, press it twice again, landscape. Then this trigger button, if you press 2 times, it actually comes to the proper angle. Let me select that key. Okay, now I'll press the trigger button right here once. Okay, I pressed it, so there is a green mark now. Now if I move the gimbal left side, check that is locked. Okay, look at that. So that key is locked horizontally and vertically, both. So there are so many other features, and to remove that lock you have to press the toggle button again, the trigger button again. So the green portion, that green box is gone, so it is out of focus again. This T is for zooming in, as I mentioned. Okay, what else did I see now? Yum single means, okay, yum single is photo to video. Okay, if you press it once, look at that. There is it. If you press this yum once, then the mode is changed, video to photo. Again. If you press yum thrice, 3 times, 1 2 3, the gimbal goes to sleep mode. To wake it again, you have to press 3 times. Yes, let's do some trials and I'll show all the trials. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. This is the DJI, the same company which manufactures drones. I actually want to buy a drone also, DJI Mavic Mini. So till then I'll use this gimbal. It's a bit heavy and my right hand is already paining a bit. Alright, I don't know what is the weight I have mentioned. Anyway, to switch it back, long press, off. Yes, beautiful product. तो चलो आज के लिए इतना ही. Oh my god, look at my fingers, look at the hand. Oh gosh.